Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel Without a Wire, where we look at everything a smart home can throw at you. Look at what arrived finally. I know I'm a bit behind the rest of the world, but it is South Africa, and we do tend to get things a little later than the rest of the world. So this is the new Echo Show 10, and we will look at what's in the box, see what it has to offer for the South African audience, and then I will do a full review on it a little later when I've had a chance to play with it, and I do have some customizations in mind. So yeah, let's see. Since it's South Africa, you get a little adapter for the South African market, and on the side of the box, while I'm opening it, it seems like this one's got a frictionless motor that turns around and it faces you when you call. It's got a Zigbee hub built into it and all kinds of other goodies that we will look at when we review this product. So this is what the box looks like. Let's see, what's this? White adapter. Everybody's complaining about the white adapter, but mine will be hidden, so it won't be a big issue. Let's see. Oh, there you go. The box. Let's see if I missed anything. 10-inch HD touchscreen, 13 megapixel camera with a built-in shutter, 2 tweeters and 1 woofer facing the screen side so you get better sound, Zigbee smart home hub, Bluetooth, and hands-free with Alexa. So let's see what this one looks like. There you go. And immediately you can see my table is not level, so you can see the frictionless motor, and it doesn't turn around all the way. It's got a seemingly 350 degree turning angle. The material feels quite good. You can see that at the back there's a little seam on the material, but you won't really see that if it's facing a wall or if it's in a corner somewhere. There you've got your mute button, your volume control, minus and plus, and there's your shutter for the camera. So this is the new Echo Show 10, and obviously not motorized, but there is a tilt on the screen. So if you are walking around and it follows you around, you can actually view it at the angle that is most comfortable for you. So that is the Echo Show 10 third generation. I'm gonna start up this baby and see what it can do, but obviously in South Africa it is considered a grey product, which means that it is not officially supported in South Africa, but you can still get the apps in all sorts of ways. That's one of the difficulties with the Amazon app. You have to find very innovative ways to get it running on your phone, or to actually get the app on your phone. Luckily I have the ecosystem already, and I will hook this one up. It will probably take a manual setup for me and not a pre-installed setup like many users in the UK and the Americas, and of course Canada, but the setup is fairly quick and fairly simple, so I'm guessing that won't be a problem. And another thing that we are enjoying over here in South Africa versus many of the other parts of the world is we still get to enjoy the guard, which basically puts in guard mode, and she listens for glass breaking, smoke alarms, that kind of stuff. So we are lucky enough to have that in South Africa, and I'm definitely going to try that out and showcase that on a follow-up video. Something else I struggled with is, for a while I could actually get my Wise cams and my doorbell showing on my TV, and that disappeared for a while and I couldn't get it working. And when I contacted Amazon about it, it was again a geographical restriction where they restricted that functionality. Luckily, since then they fixed it and it's working again. So I will also test and see what other geo restrictions we have on the, in South Africa, and I will also showcase that in a follow-up video. If you like this video, give this video a like and do the YouTube shuffle. Click on subscribe if you like and follow the channel, and ding that bell icon if you want to get notified of any future content on this channel. Thanks everybody for watching. See you in the next video.